These palm trees, they sway me. Each night and each day I'm California dreaming about you. Oh yeah, got this world-class view, but it's you that I think about every time when my mind's on it. And it's you that I think about every time when I be alone.
So these are actually clear tips that I just bought from Sally's. They came in a pack, and you know, they're tips, so they go more towards the tip of your nail. But what I do is I push them down as far as they can go, so that it's kind of like almost a full nail, and it will hold really well on the nail with the glue. But this is a very sheer iridescent pink. So both of these I got at Walmart, and they're really a good price for how much glitter you get. So like the third nail, the middle finger, this is the mixture, and then this and this I put the gold on top, and then I put the pink on top of the gold. But I just paint on the tip of the nail, so I don't do the whole nail, just the tip. And I'm going to use the mixture that I was talking about, and I literally just get a little bit of the mixture, and then I lightly just sprinkle it on. And then that is it. So that is the fourth finger, and then I'm gonna do the last one real quick again. So I just paint across the tip. It doesn't have to be perfect because the glitter falls out a little bit. So this one I'm gonna do the gold on top. And then what I do is I put a little bit more of the polish, and then I put the light pink on top of that. And if it's a little bit thick, I'll kind of just like push it out. So I'm not done yet. They do look kind of ridiculous or funny, but so what I'm going to show next is the line. I'm going to show how I cover that up, and when this dries, what I do is I use this nail polish, and I got this at Sally Beauty's, but it's called Bitsy nail color. The color is called Hola. This is what I use. I just literally just paint this all over my nail. Alright, so I just finished with the nail polish. So now you can see how the glitter in the nail polish covered up the line, but still left the base of the nail fairly clear with just, you know, a light amount of glitter, so that there's definitely more focus on the tips. But I applied about 2 coats. You just kind of gotta focus, or I mean, you spread the glitter where you really want it, and I put it more down towards where that line was. So that is it, and that is the finished results. When this dries, then I will use this again. This stuff is amazing, and it's the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Top Coat. So I'll apply about 1 or 2 coats over this, and then I will shape the nail. I'll file it down a little bit and reshape it. It's not super simple and easy. It definitely takes a little bit more time than just pre-made nails that are done that you can buy, but you know, it's really pretty. I don't know, and it saves a little bit of money because there's, you know, a lot of nails in those packs, so you can redo it again. But anyways, that is it, and I'll show the end results. And thanks for watching, and Happy New Year's.
California dreaming about you. Oh, yeah. These palm trees, they sway me each night and each day. I'm California dreaming about you. Oh yeah, got this world-class view, but it's you that I think about every time when my mind's on it. And it's you that I think about every time when I get lonely. And it's you that I call on my FaceTime when I need something real. Oh yeah. I work the night shift till late in the PM. I'm California dreaming. California dreaming about you. California dreaming about you. California dreaming about you. Oh yeah. Not quite right sometimes, 'cause I've been feeling myself too much. Feeling myself too much. Oh, I'm missing your touch. Missing the way you say my name. If that I'm away, you know I stay. But I got these songs to cut, and it's still with an empty cup. I've been sipping this drink too much, but goddamn, I've been working hard as fuck. And what's work without playing LA? I'm California dreaming. Dreaming. You. One time I tell them I'm California dreaming. Dreaming. One time I tell them I'm California dreaming. Dreaming. California dreaming about you. California dreaming. Dreaming. California dreaming about you.
So the ring finger, I accidentally placed it a little bit angling to the left, and it was just kind of hard to see when I'm trying to record. But the middle finger I did straight. And so this is just my second version of how to do the glitter nails. I like this a lot better because the clear nails I glued on, they can go all the way down to the cuticle, so it looks a lot more natural and you don't have to cover it up with the glitter. But the only thing is you have to order it and wait for it to come in the mail. But if you were wanting to just do something real quick, you could go to Sally's if it's close to you and get the nail tips. But I really like these nail tips that I ordered online through eBay, because you can see the bottom, they're rounded and you can push them all the way down to the cuticle. They also had it in white and natural, but I ordered this clear one, and I put the link below on where you can order it from eBay, because it's just real simple. You can just push them down, they're clear, and then you can do anything to the tip. So that is the final results. I'll put on some cuticle oil, and then I might do a second coat on the tips, but I just wanted to show a second way to do these. And you can see my pinky finger, how it already is growing out from the last part part I had showed of using the Sally's clear nail tips with glitter. And then this one I had done a few days ago, and it's starting to grow out and look kind of yucky, but these two are freshly done, and the third middle finger is on straight and the ring finger was a little bit lopsided, so I had to file the left side down a lot more to make it look more even, but that is it. And so yeah, that's just my two versions to do these glitter tips, and that's it. Thanks for watching.